So this is just a quick tutorial about how to use this little sun path animation. It's really cool. It's completely interactive. So we'll just take a little tour around it real quick. So what you start out with is the actual location. So where do you actually want to be in the world? So you can search for any place on Earth. Um, let's just go to New York, New York, or New York City. Um, and it automatically will update everything for New York City at the point in time. So then we come over here, and this is kind of our simulated location. It doesn't change, it's always going to have this little kind of city appearance here. But you can move it around in 3 dimensions. And it's great because this will work with the touchscreens on the Chromebook, it will work with a mouse on a computer, and you can spin things around, or you can get really crazy and go underneath everything, but tell you much information. But it'll let you see what's going on. We'll see here the length of the day depending on the month. So there's information with that. There's a whole bunch of things that you can change in here. If you want to, you can go to some of the useful dates. So if you want to see what things look like the fall equinox, you can click on that and it shows you where it's going to be. You can go to specific times. So if you say, let's go to noon, let's see what it looks like. You can do all of that. There's other information in terms of how you zoom things, what the images are going to look like in terms of um, how opaque they are, anything like that. Specific dates, if you want to, you can put in a specific date here. So today's date, you could put in your birthday, anything like that. You can adjust the time of day. Here's where you have your latitude, longitude. You can change that around. This button gives you just some general information about how the whole thing works. And you explain that. And then again, there's little pull downs. And if you want to, you can kind of see how these things will change based on what's going on. Now, the fun thing is you can actually come up here to the play button and hit play, and it will take you through the day. So as you can see, we have the sun moving along its path. You can see that the general darkness kind of shows up. It gets lighter. You can see all the shadows change. You can see the path of the sun. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. You can change the speed as well. Of this, and you can really kind of fly through some stuff here real quick. I turned up the speed pretty fast, and you'll see that this is progressing through here. You can get to see all the shadows. If you want to move it around, you get to see what they look like. Over here, it's going through day to day, showing the length of the day, everything like that. But that's just a little bit of how you use the controls to work through the SunPath simulation.